Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ainul Sarah and I will talk about the introduction of our project. The project that we choose is Gym Management System. But first, let me introduce you to my team members. The first one is Muhammad Iqwan bin Ismail. Next is Ashakirin bin Abdul Hakim. Also, Danish Hakimi bin Kamil Somad. And me myself, I know myself bin Hamidun. And lastly, Ashwini underscore Nayata Kumar. Okay, next I will talk about the introduction of our project. Fitness and healthy lifestyle are becoming increasingly important in modern society. Many gyms still uses manual system such as paper records and spreadsheets. Manual management can cause data redundancy, calculation errors, and inefficient scheduling. This project develops a gym management system using object-oriented programming. The system uses CRUDs for better organization and maintainability, and a graphical user interface is implemented for easier user interaction. The system will also help manage members, trainees, subscription, and class schedule efficiently. Um, Our project have four objectives. The first one is to develop a gym management system using object-oriented programming concepts. Second is to manage gym members' records, trainees, subscription, and class schedule efficiently. Third is to provide CRUD's functionalities such as search, update, view, and delete. And last is to create a user-friendly GUI for easy user interaction. Next,
Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar, and my metric number is B1525-10172. Today, I will explain about our project's scope. So, in total, we have six scopes. The first one is admin and user management, where admin can add, update, search, view, and soft delete users' record. What I mean by soft delete is that the deleted information cannot be seen in our system, but we still can access to it through our database. So the next scope is membership plan management, where users able to choose membership packages based on duration and fees. Next is trainer management. Admin able to store trainers' information and their specialization details in it. Next one is class schedule management, where admin able to create and manage fitness class schedule by assigning suitable trainer for the member package according to their availability. Next is subscription management. Admin able to manage member subscription and payment status. So the system also will automatically calculate payments when a member decide to choose a package and subscribe to it. Lastly, we have GUI based system, where we provide a user friendly GUI for our users. Next is methodology. So the methodology that we used for our project is waterfall model. The waterfall model basically is a structured and sequential approach where each phase must be completed before moving into the next phase. So the first phase is planning phase, where we plan the project's objective, system requirements, and project scope. Next, we have analysis phase. We identify the problems faced in a gym system management in this phase. Next, design phase, where we started to structure ERD diagram and the GUI of the system. Next one is development phase, where we started to use OOP concepts to develop our system and includes the CRUD's function. Next one is testing phase. So we will test our overall system to find out any errors during this testing phase. Last one, we have implementation phase, where we will correct our previous errors and implement the final version of our system.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ashikirin bin Abdul Hakim. So, I will show you our overall system. For gym membership system, we have two users, which is admin and member. Okay, first for admin. For admin, we have 5 interface. For the first one is member management. Moving on to next, trainer management, membership plan, subscription, and lastly is exit. Okay, for the next one is member interface. For member, we have 3 interface, which is view available plan, my subscription history, and logout. Okay, for the first one, it will show like this. Second one, and lastly logout. Okay, that is all our overall system. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Uh, my name is Aina Maisara and I am going to explain about our system for the member management and training management. First, let us see the groups for member management. Okay, as you can see here, there is a search button, add button, update, and delete member. For example, first let's add a new member. Put in their email. Next is password, phone number, and username is mine. And click on add member, and member will be registered successfully. And then we can see in the database, view. As you can see here, the new member Ain is successfully added and is in the database. Okay, next. What if we want to update a member? Okay, first click on the member that we want. Change your name. Email is the same. Password is also the same. Number. The name is also the same. We click on update. Member details are updated successfully. It will appear here and also in the database. Let's view. See, as you can see here, the database also updated successfully. Next is, oh sorry. Next is what if we want to delete a member? Just click on a member and then delete. The member will be removed successfully. Okay, so in the database, it's fresh. As you can see in the database, the member is still there, but in the delete or column, it shows that this member has been deleted, but in the system, but in the database, they still kept the details. Next is search. What if we want to search member? For example, Hassan. And then only Hassan details will appear. But if next is Aina. Only Aina member will appear. Okay. Next, let's go to the training management. The training management is also similar to the member management. You can add trainees. For example, put in the name first. And their phone number. And then specialization maybe in yoga. Okay, add trainer. The trainer will be added successfully. And let's see in the database. Let's go to the training database. View all the data. And as you can see here, the new trainee that we added is in the database successfully. Okay, next. But if we want to update the trainer, similar, click on the column of the trainer that we want, and then let's change the name. Let's keep the phone number. Okay, specialization, we forgot. Update trainer. If the trainer is updated successfully, and see the name here is changed. Also, let's see in the database. Okay, see, the name here is also updated successfully in the database. So next is what if we want to delete a trainer. So click on the trainer that we want to delete and delete it. Remove successfully. And then let's see in the database. Once more. See, as you can see here, the previous trainer that we deleted is in the database showing that it has been deleted. Therefore, it will not be shown in the system, but it will be shown in the database. That is all. Thank you.
Now I'll continue the demo, Cruise demo with membership plan. So here we can add plan, update plan, and delete plan. So we will try add one plan first. So student, we're adding student plan. Monthly fees is 30 ringgit. Duration is for 2 months. Okay, so membership plan created successfully. Okay, so here we have the membership plan. Next, we will try update this. So we have to select this and then change the plan name if we wanted to. So I will change it to student plan 2. And then the monthly fees, I'll change it to 25 ringgit. And then for the duration, I will change it to 1 month update. Okay, updated successfully. So, okay, let's see here. So the plan name changed to student plan 2. Monthly fees also changed to 25 and the duration also changed to 1 month. Okay, now we will try to delete this plan. So just choose this row and then delete plan. Okay, the plan is removed successfully. Okay, so it's gone here. Let's check our database. Okay, so here, all right, so here the student plan 2 is still able to view, but then in the system it won't show in the system lah. So the one here indicates that it is deleted in the system, but still we can access to this record in the database. All right. Next, we will test for subscription. So for subscription, the member itself have to pay they have to subscribe and pay first in order to register in this page, subscription management. So we're able to delete the subscription. So basically we have to click on it and then we have to click delete subscription. So it has been cancelled or removed successfully. Okay, it's gone here now in the system. Let's check in the database. So subscription. Okay. All right. So, okay. So this, all right. This subscription number, the ID number 3 is the one we deleted just now. So it shows 1 in the deleted column. So which means this record has been deleted in the system successfully, but then we still able to view it in our database. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Danish, and I'll be talking about error handling in our G management system. Basically, users can sometimes type the wrong thing or forget to select something before clicking a button. So in our app, we make sure that whenever this happens, instead of the app crashing, it shows a clear message telling the user what went wrong. So first, I'm going to talk about input validation errors. For example, when the system requires user to enter numbers, but user enter letters instead, it will show an error message. So in this case, when admins add a new plan, the monthly fee box should contain numbers, right? Because it is fee, it is amount, it should be numbers. So if user enter letters, it will show a message error. Let me show you. So let's say I'm going to add a new plan. Let's say super plan. Okay, alright. And then for the monthly fee, I enter letters such as K, and then durations I enter the correct values, which is numbers too, 6. As add plan, it will show please enter valid data. So admin can re-enter it a correct value it requires. So such as monthly fee 250 super. And then add plan. Then it can be added as a new super plan. Next, I'm going to talk about wrong username or password. This is the most basic error handling in our app. I should have talked about this first, but I forgot, so never mind. First, if the user leaves the username or password empty, we catch that and show a message asking them to fill in both. For example, I just log in without filling anything. It will say please enter both username and password so that the user re-enter both username and password. And let's say secondly, if they type a username or password that doesn't match what's in the database, we show invalid username or password and clear the password box so they can just try fill it again. Let's say I enter the one that does not in database and log in, it will show invalid username or password. So user can enter a correct one, which is let's see, John, and one, so they can log in successfully. So next, I'm going to talk about the error shows when nothing is selected but want to be executed. For example, in this case, when admin want to delete a plan but doesn't choose the plan first, it is like it's not logic, right, to delete a plan that is not there. So you must pick something first and then you decide if you want to delete it, right? So in this case, let me show you. If I just click delete plan, it will show select a plan first so that the user knows that they have to select a plan first. This is to make sure that the user actually pick a row in the table before they click delete. So there has to be something to be deleted, you know. So for example, when user click the super plan, thus it can be deleted next, like this. Yes. So you need to choose something first before you can delete it. Otherwise, it will show you an error message like just now. Finally, for checking if payment is enough, when a member pays for their subscription, we check if they paid enough. If not, we don't just accept it. We tell them exactly how much money they still need to pay. For example, in this case, when a user, which is members, want to subscribe a plan, they choose, let's say, standard plan, and they want to subscribe. When we want to subscribe, the members should enter an amount to pay, right? So the total amount here is 360 ringgit. So let's say if member enter insufficient money, such as enter 300, it will show it is insufficient and it needs 60 ringgit more. This will help a member to know how much money is insufficient. So overall in our app, whenever something goes wrong, whether it is wrong input or forgetting to select something, we never let the app crash. We always show a clear message so that the user knows what to fix. That's our handling error part.
Now I will continue to the member, user member. As you can see here, this is the interface for a member. We have username and then and password. Okay, now I will log in as a member. Okay, now here is the dashboard for a member. As you can see, we have the welcome and then the name of the members. And then we have three buttons here. The first one is view available plan, my subscription history, and then log out. Okay, now we move to the first button here. Then we will pop up this interface, show all the available plan that we have in this system, gym system management. So the first we have basic plan, then standard plan, then premium. So from here, member can choose which one they want to subscribe. Okay, first they choose, and then the member have the option to subscribe and pay or back to the interface, to the main dashboard of a member. Okay, here I want to subscribe and pay. Then it will show pop up. I have the subscription has create and state the original amount and what we need to pay, and then we need to enter the amount that we want to pay. I want to pay a full amount, so I put here the full amount, and then okay. It will show payment successfully, and then the change that left. After that, we have an option to print the receipt. And here I will show you the option. I want to print the receipt, and then I will show you. After that, we will show the receipt as saved. Then I will show uh, the receipt. Okay, here is the receipt. Move on, and then to that I want to show you the complex calculation in my system. The This calculation only apply to a new member that has just registered will get 10% discount for the first plan they want to subscribe. So I will show you. It's the same. You need to choose. So here I will choose this, and then they pop up here. Show the subscription as great and they state the amount and the discount 10%. To that, the total amount after the discount. Okay, just like just now, we need to put the amount. I want to pay full amount, so I put here. Then successful, and then I want to print the receipt. Also the same that like just now. See. Okay, then receive and save. And okay, that's all for the complex calculation in our system.
So, for conclusion, the gym management system was successfully developed using OOP concepts and MVC architecture. So, the system helps gym administrators manage members, subscription trainers, and class schedule more efficiently through a user friendly GUI. In addition, CRUD functionalities and calculation features were implemented successfully, allowing the system to fulfill all project objectives and cost requirements. Thank you.